Penne Chicken Pasta. A delicious homemade chicken pasta recipe is here. Look at this. This is our pasta. It's in the packaging. This is 400 grams. This is gluten-free. This is corn and rice blend pasta. Chicken pasta. How they say in Italia. We're gonna be following a delicious recipe I learned from a chef. So that's how they do it at home in Italy. You have a pan on the stove. I'm using chicken breast. So I have a whole fillet. I sliced it from the middle. Then I'll make 3 to 4 more slices so we get bigger cubes right here, just like that. 1 cube should look like this. Our water is boiling in the back and it's just for the pasta. So let's work on the chicken first. I'm using 400 grams of the pasta. I'm using 4 fillets of the chicken breast. All right, 4 beautiful chicken breasts have been chopped into cubes. Pan is on the stove. It's on the high flame. We will add at least 12 to 13 tablespoons of olive oil. It's actually hot. I'm literally scared. Right away, we will add the meat in the pan. So here I'm using a stainless steel pan. That's why right away I'm moving the chicken so it don't get stuck in the bottom of the pan. We will fry this chicken at least for 5-6 minutes. So our chicken is getting fried, stir fried. I took a green bell pepper, half of it, and I'll just dice it. Just rough dice. And we will take half of the red bell pepper. Why we are adding the bell pepper? Because the bell pepper gonna give a fresh touch to it, a fresh taste to it. Alright, it's been 5 minutes. Our chicken has been on the stove, on the high flame. At this time, we will take oregano leaves and we will add dried. So we'll add half tablespoon right here. Give it a mix. Olive oil, chicken breast, and oregano. Aromatic. 1 tablespoon of salt. Onion powder, at least 1 tablespoon. We will grab our blender juicer. We will take 3 whole tomatoes. If your tomatoes are extra large, just add 2 of them. But my tomatoes, if you guys see, they are medium-sized tomatoes. Roughly dice it and add in here. So I'll do 1.5 first and then 1.5 later. You must add fresh garlic to it. So I'm taking at least 10 cloves of fresh garlic right here. Half cup of water. Let's blend this. Half tomato, 10 cloves of garlic, half cup of water. Right here, and it goes in here. Yummy. We have another 1.5 left. Definitely we will do the same process again without the garlic this time. Not the garlic, but add at least, if you have small green chilies or 1 whole big jalapeno, add this right here. Half cup of water. Here you go. It was so hard to do this, guy, so I just let it. I'm like, you want to survive? Let's go, bro, survive. All right, this is the first mix after adding all these ingredients in here. Right away we will add our bell peppers in here. A fresh homemade chicken pasta, Penne Chicken Pasta. All right, at this time I just want to make a note here. We still need to add 2 more other ingredients in here, but for now just leave it like this. Put it on medium flame and let the chicken cook at least for 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes after adding all the ingredients, and we let the chicken to cook with all the ingredients. So our chicken is almost 60% done. This is the sauce base so far. This is how it looks. Man, it's aromatic, I can tell you that. All right, let's move towards the next point. We will take half a lemon. I took 2 green onions, and we will just add the green onions right here. So 400 grams of tomato sauce, we will add just half of it. So here you go, at least 150 to 200 grams of tomato sauce goes in here. Give it a gentle mix. Look at the texture now. I'll take half tablespoon of regular pepper powder, the black pepper. It goes right here. So we are preparing this sauce to its perfection. Italiano style. This is Italiano style penne chicken pasta, guys. All right, once you mix everything up, you guys can see the texture is yummy. It has the fresh all ingredients and the dry ingredients. Put your stoves onto medium right now and let's work on our pasta. It's almost boiling. If you guys see at the bottom, we will add all of our penne pasta, just like that, all in here. We will take half tablespoon of salt and just put some right on top of it. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, it goes in here as well. We'll come back after 12 minutes. Authentic Italian chef. This is how they make it at home. Look at this sauce. The chicken is super tender just by the touch. And it's delicious, guys. Turn off the stove and just land it right here on top of the pasta. Do melt quickly. So look at this, guys. A perfect, delicious penne chicken pasta is right here. Bring your forks in. This is full of aroma, Italiano penne chicken pasta recipe. I'm putting some more greens on top of it so it increases the value of the dish. It's so good, bro. Look at this. Yum. Guys, it's actually tasting very good. Make this recipe just the way I showed you. It's fresh, it's tasting good, and I made better than the chef who taught me this. Bye for now. Subscribe to the channel.